Hey, this is AK Walia, and today I'm going to show you how to block a website on Safari on Macbook. So there may be some websites that you do not want your children to see, or you do not want like others to see, that may be a little sensitive or may have sensitive content. So to block those websites on your MacBook, on your Safari, what you can do is you can go on to the system preferences, and when you go on to the system preferences, you will see option named as screen time. So click on screen time, and when you click on screen time, on the left hand side you will see content and privacy. So click on that, and then uh, this will basically open up a window in which content and privacy restrictions will be given. So you have to click on turn on, and what this will do is this will turn on the content and privacy restrictions, and then you can click on limit adult websites, and as soon as you click on this, uh, a customize button will appear. So click on the customize button, and then you can add any particular websites that you want to restrict. So click on the plus button, and for example, I want to restrict, let's say, uh, facebook.com. So I type in facebook.com and click on OK, and as you can see here, facebook.com will now be restricted. So click on OK, and then once you do that, you have put in the website. Then you go on the left hand side, click on options, and then you also have to uh, click on the screen time passcode. And as soon as you click on this, um, it says don't allow this user to administrate this computer. Just click on next, screen time passcode, and click on allow this user to administer this computer. So click on next, then set a screen time passcode. Set any screen time passcode that you like, and then you can either enter your Apple ID or just hit the skip button here. Again, skip, press the skip button, and then you can see that the screen time for this Mac is on. And then anyone who wants to edit the content and privacy one will have to put in input the screen time password. Now if you go on to Safari, and you click on facebook.com, it will give you an error. It says you can't see the page because it's not on the approved list, right? So this is how you block certain websites that you don't want people to see on your MacBook on Safari. The other options that you have are downloading some Chrome extensions, on which I will make another video if you want me to. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe. Signing off.